How do we use algebraic properties to solve equations? Well, the good news is you're already doing this. So all we have to do is connect the dots to the names of these algebraic properties. And today we're going to focus on just 4 properties, and those are the 4 right there. Okay, so before you go any further, I want you to think about memorizing these names. And you can do that. You can rewind to this section later. I just wanted you to be able to know what it is that we're going to be talking about. So each of these properties we use almost every time we solve a multi-step equation, and often when we're just solving a one-step equation. So let's talk about it. Addition property of equality. If you have an equation like a equals 16, the addition property of equality says you can add the same number to both sides of the equation without changing the equation. So you have a equals 16, you add 3 to both sides. A plus 3, 16 plus 3 is 19, is equal to 16 plus 3, 19. That's all this says, is that you can add the same number to both sides. Guess what? The subtraction property of equality says that you can do what to both sides? Well, if you're thinking subtract the same number from both sides, exactly right. You have q equals 9. That way, that means that q minus 5 equals 9 minus 5, according to the subtraction property of equality. Same thing for the multiplication property. That allows you to do what to both sides of an equation? Right, multiply both sides by the same number, in this case 2. Okay? And the division property of equality allows you to divide both sides of an equation by the same number, in this case 2. So there you have it. Here are 4 properties, algebraic properties, that we use almost every day when we solve equations. I'd like you to memorize those, and shortly we will be asking you to, well, let's say from time to time I'll be asking you to identify the step that you took when you were solving the equation. So you should know these names of these properties and what steps they relate to in your solution. That's it for now.